Sir, in this present day of crisis, most of the people are losing social skills and interpersonal skills, and they are becoming self-centered. So, how will you inculcate these all qualities in them?
If human beings become more and more self-centered, first they are the losers, and slowly the entire humanity will be on the losing side. This people should realize. We are a part of the society. We are traveling in a ship, in a boat, say. If there is a hole to the boat and if water starts coming inside the boat, can you be safe? You can't be. You are sitting at the other end of the boat. You feel they are the people who are going to suffer. Finally, it will harm you as well. If something negative to the society is happening, finally we all will be the sufferers. This point should be realized by everyone. Selfishness is bad. Yes, selfishness to the extent that I should live happily. అందరూ బాగుండాలి. సినిమా డైలాగ్ చాలా బాగుంది అది. అందరూ బాగుండాలి, వాళ్ళలో నేనుండాలి. ఎవ్రీబడి షుడ్ బి గుడ్, ఐ షుడ్ బి వన్ అమాంగ్ దెమ్. ఇఫ్ ఓన్లీ ఐ షుడ్ బి గుడ్, యూ కాంట్ బి. As I told, whatever you are using in the course of a day, there are so many people involved in that. Understood? So, if people are suffering, though somebody is very rich, they can't be happy, they can't be peaceful. We are all social creatures. Understood? So, how to inculcate this? People are becoming self-centered, no doubt about it. So, how to make them understand the social responsibility? I would salute Corona for this. Corona has taught social values to many people. Earlier, people, when somebody was telling, "Arey, don't eat junk food," chal fat, who are you to tell me? There is no talk about immunity. People have become slaves to their tongue. If something is tasty, chalo, it's so tasty, re. People were unmindful of the consequences of that food. I mean, what kind of impact such like junk food will show on their body, they were not mindful. People are realizing now, not just with regard to food, with regard to everything. Now people are understanding. So that's why I say a crisis is always an opportunity. Right from young age, children should be taught social values, moral values, ethical values, life skills. Parents should teach children ethics through stories. Parents as well as teachers should inculcate life skills among children. Not just telling children don't learn by our words, listening to our words, listening to our lectures. They imitate us. So we should act as models to children. How many times I told you not to get angry? Do you think they will accept? See, this person is telling, how many times I should tell you not to get angry? Means I am feeling angry, and my word will not, you'll think, you may get frightened for a while, but this man is angry and is asking me not to feel angry. You will not accept. I will not have the moral responsibility to influence you, to tell you that. Only when I am not angry, I can ask you not to feel angry. When I am behaving good, I can ask you to behave in a nice way. Understood? So, elders should act as models to children. If the social values deteriorate, and it's something like you are going down the slide, entire society suffers. In the name of entertainment, children's minds are being poisoned. The movies, the video games that they watch. So, take these things away from children. Give them moral storybooks. talk to them, make them understand. This is how the change should be brought about. Okay.